Hello, everybody. Okay, I'm hoping this works. I just have the camera kind of clipped to the chair, but I wanted to get it up a little closer. I have some new dolls. I came in here just a minute ago to get set up, and my anxiety's through the roof. So I think the new ones, maybe a couple of the old ones. Hi, Hayden, sweetheart. She's just going nuts. But this is a new one. She's new. This one's new. She's got some pretty intense eyes, if you ask me. And this one's new. I mean, I'm having a hard time here. I'm like really anxious. I don't know if I'm holding this where you can see it. I'm really bad about doing that. And of course, Benjamin mentioned, I know it looks like it's a girl doll, but the person in the vessel is a male apparently. Anyways, I'm gonna turn on the word generator and I think I'm gonna try to keep all the new dolls together. So I'm gonna move Betty. Ooh, I have crystals on some of these and I forget about them. Give me Betty. Alright. There, Betty. What's the matter, Hayden? Do you not like her? She was just lighting it up. I don't know if you could see it through my door-like body. Is she bad spirit? Boy, she was just really lighting it up when I had a hold of her. Her. Put her there. I'm gonna leave one on Hayden because she's my little angel. She like watches over me. And I'm gonna put this over here with these guys. I better put it here. Well, I'll put it here because these are the new ones, the newest. I'm gonna include her. What about her? Is she a bad spirit? Is she bad, Hayden? Is she bad? I don't know, every time I come, around here, she starts kind of blinking up. You just want me to pay attention to you? But like I said, when I came in here, my anxiety was through the roof. I did a thing to my hair. I don't know if you can see, but I love it. It's so cool. So anyways, I'm going to leave these guys alone. I'm going to put the word generator on. I got to find my other phone. And we'll leave these guys alone for a few and see what they say. Okay, I think I have my volume way down. Okay, eerie. I just got the word eerie. Where's my volume? Okay. Okay, wait. Crud. Okay, wait. I need to turn that off. I've got do not disturb on because it won't let me turn it off. Come on. Okay, I don't know why it won't let me turn it off. Okay. Off. Ledge. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and set this. The first word I got was eerie. Let's see if I got anything else. Yeah. Indeed, Evening, and Ledge.
Terry.
Terry? Oops. Not used to this phone anymore. Terry, like the name Terry. I'll go ahead and set this over here. This is for all of you guys to use. So tell me what's going on. And Haley, you watch out for everybody. And Betty, let me give you guys some protection. Actually, I've got protection. I've got a bunch of crystals. I've got my protection on. Man, as soon as I felt that anxiety, I remembered my protection, that's for sure. Okay, you've got your ball. There's a crystal for Penelope. And, yeah. Are you trying to tell me something, baby? I mean, she's just lighting it way up over here. Thigh. I don't know what that means. But I want you guys to stay calm-ish, okay? No crazy stuff. I just want to know
Steady.
a little bit about you guys, you new dolls, okay? Nobody's allowed to hurt anybody. No living things, okay? Not allowed to hurt any living things here.
Otter.
Just give this to her because I smell something like, you know when you season a roast or a piece of meat with garlic? That's what I smell right now. So let me turn this up. Oh, it's up all the way, okay. Hopefully you can hear it. I'll leave, shut my mouth so you guys can hear some of this. Yeah. All right, I'll talk to you all soon. I'm gonna make sure this is running and you can see. We can see. Okay, and you can see all of them. Good. All right, let me know in the comments if you see or hear anything that maybe I don't see when I look back at this. So I appreciate it. Talk to you in a few.
Africa. Emergent. Trouble. Observe. Kelly. Knitting.
guys, I'm gonna cut this a little short because my anxiety's through the roof, and so is my son's. So I'll make sure I'm still recording. Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully we got some good evidence.
Paralysis.
Paralysis. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna call it good. It's just causing
Scanning stopped.
way too much anxiety for both of us right now. So, all right, we are protected, and you're not allowed to follow us. You have to stay in this room. And I'll see what we got. If you saw anything or heard anything or anything like that, let me know. Talk to you all later.